pretty excited today because I'm installing a crankshaft seal over on that Ford Focus over there, but I've never tried my crankshaft and camshaft installer toolkit from PBT. This has been sitting on the shelf for a little while. You can see it's still got the plastic on it. I got this from Snap-on for about 150, 60 bucks, something like that. We're gonna try it out to see if it's worth the money. All right, let's have a look at this thing. We can open it up for the first time. Pretty exciting. I've had this for a couple of years actually. When I bought it, I was doing timing belts, and then I stopped doing them. They just hadn't come in. I've got a timing chain I'm doing, so this will be helpful for that, hopefully. Ooh, it's been inspected, so really we can just get right to work here. Now this is a bar type seal puller. These little puller arms go on there like that, and that'll screw right into that crankshaft and pull the seals out. Crank or camshaft. So that's cool. What I'm concerned with right now is pushing the seal in. All right, we've got a seal for this front cover. That's it there. So looks like, oh yeah, check this out. That seal fits perfectly on that mandrel there. And we've got an install tool. Fits over there like that. And I'm guessing this guy fits on that. So now we've got enough room for the crankshaft to go through that tool, and this is going to press the seal in and then stop it right on that lip as it hits the front cover. I like it. With instructions and a DVD. Check this out. They're really covering all their bases here, so if you still have a DVD player, you could watch this. Maybe you could just watch this on YouTube. All right, and then the seal kit instructions, kind of a poster. So it looks to me like you set it up this way here just to push that seal on. And let me grab, where did I put it? I've got a brand new crank bolt. Let's have a look at that. So that crank bolt is just going to go right in there, thread into the crankshaft, and push that seal on. I think that's going to work pretty well. Let's give that a shot. All right, I've got the front cover. Let's go ahead and take this seal out. I've got that seal puller. We're just going to, there we go. Right up here on the outside face of it is felt. So that's going to go out, and this is the inside. There's the lip where I grabbed it with the seal puller. So we're gonna leave this off for right now because we have to RTV this side. All right, folks, here's the moment of truth. Let's get this just put up on here like that. Looks pretty good so far. Now, if everything goes right, this seal is going to drive in perfectly straight, so it's going to be different than if you were trying to hammer it on or something like that. This is going to be a lot smoother. 21 millimeter bolt here. This is turning really easy. I can feel it going in, I can see it going in. It's going in perfect, absolutely smooth. It's not giving me any sort of bad feelings about this. It's not sticking or anything like that. It's just going real smooth and easy. We're almost there. That's it. We're done. No need to tighten it or anything like that. As soon as it bottoms out, that's it. It's bottomed out and then we're done. Let's have a look at this thing here. Beautiful. So that felt is right at the front edge here of this cover. Perfectly flush, exactly where it needs to be. If I were using a hammer or something like that, I could have pushed it in too far or it could have gone in crooked. None of those are a problem here. This tool gets a thumbs up for sure. All right, I'm really glad I got a chance to use this tool. It's from Private Brand Tools, part number 70960. And if you're buying it on the Snap-on truck, it's part number PBT 70960. I think it's about $160, $170, something like that. So I would definitely recommend it if you're doing a lot of timing belts, timing chains, that kind of thing. But if you're a DIYer, yeah, it's probably not for you. You can be really careful with a hammer. Anyway, I'm glad I got a chance to use that. Thanks for watching.